I won't leave any issue unanswered. Whatever needs to be done will be done because at the point I felt that was my end. I felt to say it could have been my death.
Glory be to God for the great things that He has done. Abusuafo, I am very happy speaking to you. I am very happy for doing this video. No be say, why am I so happy? I am happy because finally Kofi Adoma Wanwani is seeing. Kofi Adoma Wanwani can see now, and this is a positive news for me, for Ghanaians, for the followers, and for his loved ones. Abusuafo, what happened to Kofi Adoma Wanwani? Let me take you back. Kofi Adoma Wanwani ekopiemu ewo Doma, and Ninyina was about celebrating 25 years of Doma Hene reign. Na okoho as a journalist, okoho as a media person, okoho to go and give an update about the happenings nibia ekos ewo ho. Nemom BBC wo ho. When we say imprembebre say ye ahemfo amamra, sometimes etu ene sa nyema ni bi esu ewo ho. Na abra Kofi Adoma Wanwani eye adwuma no ene etu bi esuye. Nemom etu no suye no ebebo nani. Ebebo nani. Abra sa incident ni siye no yemu hihye because se etu mpo ebo body mpo etesen na etu akoka wani. Abusuafo me din e de Kobby JosVan. I'm a blogger, social influencer, and a pundit. Na unim se metena se de no se nkomo ewo ho. Yes, ene mahye bola. Na bola ni nyina achi ni se Kofi Adoma Wanwani ani genti na mama hye bola. Because of Kofi Adoma Wanwani, I am heading to the gym. Me jeme sama body no afatare ne kese. Abusuafo Kofi Adoma Wanwani finally akasa. Now he has updated Ghanaians, the loved ones, any colleagues nibi. Ever since the incident ni see no, more him say there will be a positive news out of the incident no. Na Kofi Adoma Wanwani say enye nyame a anka sisi ameno ka say Kofi Adoma Wanwani ahwere nani. Na mi bisa say wani mpo ewo ho mpo etesen na afidi unhu ade. Inti abra Kofi Adoma Wanwani incident ni siye no yemu bi abre bia ebeko ye nan so bia ye bompai bia ye kai Kofi because adwuma na ye wo mu no the atu Kofi no as a content creator, as a blogger, as an online person ebi betumi ato obia. Inti in as much as say adwuma some of these challenges ni bi ekeka ho no ye bompai ema esu obia so because the atu Kofi Adoma Wanwani no ebetumi ato obia. Abusuafo Kofi akasa na nsem ni bia okan no besere se yebekwa kotie bi. Wone senimu oda ahemfo ase, oda Ibrahim Ahama ase, oda nadofo ase, oda ne yere ase, oda Ghana fonso ase, osanso oda nadofo ene ni audience nso ase. Na ansa na yebekwa kwahwe atie nsem ni bia Kofi Adoma Wanwani ekan no se wo your parties, weddings, engagement now put be a wow. I'm our party now a party there and my lazy foods and your plug. East Legon, I drink on a pokwas and so more ho. Distance is never a barrier. Call them now, have a convo. Them name say at the end of the day, you will come and thank me later. Party no, nekesi to say, just call Mama Lizzie. We'll be making sure say at the end of the day, we'll guest now more banano. They won't just leave, but they will leave with a smile. What's ya say? Sansu na wa yari ache. When we bia obenya wayaresa adro watima ache. And yeah, I recommend Edu Herbal Hospital. Edu Herbal Hospital ewo Mankesim Bafi Chrome or Doko Official Town so mo ho SMBTS BTS na akwa hobia nim aye adwuma ebo dwuma ewo highway no so kojibi na bedamas. Why adwuma abre unya SMBTS na 1-2 no ape. Will be don so ada to say what ya say SMBTS beboa akenya sa atinka no ya ye 3 points won so betumi age 3 points ewo highway no so we akohobia nim obia betumi anum bi. I'm 18 years plus the SMBTS eye wadro what ya say when ije forklift won pese osuan forklift won zema wo jomoro evalo jula elembele. Then I bring you good news from Step 79 Safety Forklift. Within a period of 3 weeks, Pepe no abedani experienced forklift operator, TVET, MVTI, ama accreditation, into documentations, licensing, any problem. Ombe ama bibi akototin, ya wutisi highway neswa, wene abain any problem. Abusuan for Kofi Adoma wanwani, finally, is seeing. Finally, he can see. Na wakasa. Na nensem ni bia okaye no, mbesere se, yenko tiebi. Na yeba nkomo no, emunchire mu. Yedi ni nyina besomo. Ya won so behu de ekoso e won tentan so.
What you did behind the scenes. Madam Wase. The mobile no fie ni nyina mani so. Madam Wase pa. Tema Newtown Traditional Council. Ene ebusua a free Tema Newtown. Madam Wase pa the gas side, you know. Much what you were solidly behind what I went through. Madam Wase pa. Madam Wase. Central for Madam Wase. In fact, the whole central region, I know why I'm saying that. Because the Amoye, it wasn't just Gomuaman for 8 Sunday cream. But the love from the central region was massive. Madam Wase. Papa. Much less, Modeshia no, me no. Ne ho ehia mo pa na eno sa odo no na mo transfer bi e de ema me medam ase gomu amanfofo nyina free ahemfo so e kopim obi e wokrum obi a mate se misi wokra anhwe a we pagya me asi akonkon medam ase pa ti in-laws ni nyina thank you so much lafo olenu we abusua ni nyina chese anhwe na makwe I will just thank the gas side, the Volta side, and the central side. I mean loss, Madam Masi. Me side ni de. Me mama me papa nyina all from a year bana. And I said the same family. And na that is it. Madam Masi pa for the support. Na Mada Opani Ibrahim Hamasi. Opani way it's my prayer say one day he will be able to, I don't know, probably any nagimo. He has never thought of it to say or be right into politics because na come on Ghana politics and na, but he has shown say oyenipa. I'm saying this because before Tomeno, I know menene aid in Koma yedi in Nkofwa wabua omo behind the scenes and all that. And I will say Nyamisha Opani Ibrahim Hama Impo Abra asemi di kan na nenam social media ne ade kofo card yo mbeka sabre kra na onyan contact actually our contact ye no I say na dey na see ye kra manfre ka de private jet no kra be family free do ma de me ba kra straight impo abra na ye hwe hospital to go you said so okay you try South Africa so hwe and I say like you gave us up you were there for us Yamin pa anya me nwanwa pii abra me hu say no knowing say we are related to Mary Nana Abner Truba. Na me say okay. Na ke say Mary akoma pa no honey free is from the family. Nyamin shaw pa. Dr. Kwakoten doc we eja ma wo ma ewo adwuma mu na oda odadi abra atrenche me eto me kai abra wo ba fie na mete wo kasa mu sɛ deɛ wo ne ɛpo na wo mo ka kyerɛw sɛ o dog gyae na tumo sɛ deɛ mete ne nyinaa no kyerɛ sɛ na esu nipa a wo ne wo mo ɛbaeɛ tumo sɛ wei bɔ n'ani a at that time no na ɛsɛ me come because ayɛ sɛ obi apira na ebi a ɔno nhu na obi ehu nipa no ehu na ɔmo nhu a etumi ma so at that point I was like I guess I didn't know enya de ketewa o
Yes.
but o kyerɛ sɛ
Oh,
yɛ nipa nti o sɛ abira esi yɛ kora na deɛ no watete na ohun ne sɛ abira bɛhu footage ne yi nkrata ne akyɛ sɛ you were touched okɔɔyɛ ɛna ɔsomaayɛ mmoa a ɔde bɛboa yɛn wɔde ba bɛboa yɛn. Nyame nhyira wo ɛne wo mmoa. Muhu. Meda mo ase. Ghanafoɔ nyinaa mentimi mmobɔ din. In fact, meka sɛ mebobɔ a callers no nso deɛ sɛ sɛ mɛtumi aka sɛ m'ani no do ɛnte sɛ aka ne no, but sɛ wogyina m'anim a mɛhu mɛtumi message bi wɔ hɔ ɛhyɛ a na ma take screenshot na ma zoom na ma kan, so I'm able to help myself and be a deɛ Awurade de me adure deɛ mɛka sɛ wayɛ bi.
Abusuafo, after watching the video, what do you also have to say? Share your views, share your thoughts, and don't forget to share this video. Yeah, others will also benefit from it. You see, the Eto Kofi Adoma no, one way or the other, a bit me at obia. Inti mpanyinfoɔ se wokɔto sɛ obi na bɔgye ɛhyia. Na wapre asensuo asiwo de ho. Wokɔto sɛ obi abɔdwe egya tom na ɛhyia. Fiti prekun na dwane kwasansuo esiwo de no. Into those people na abra Kofi incident ne sie no na mani agye mo sere no. Yensere ne mbo wurade mpae se sai osan ene amane ene ehawe ebi entomo. Kofi de no aye fortunate o. Nkofo ekire no do. Ibrahim Mahama ekire no do. Ghana fo ni bi ekire no do. Na bia wo de no. Ebia that time no ankonya adofo bia obepie wakwem no abekire wodo. Abusuafo, personally I'm happy, I'm very excited that finally Kofi Adoma Wanwani is seen, because he's one of the few individuals I've admired him, follow his works, and at any point in time looking for the opportunity to collaborate or work on a project with him. So seeing him, regain the site, is a positive news for me, and I have to seize this opportunity to thank Ghanaians, thank Ibrahim Mahama, and thank loved ones for their support, dedication, and not giving up on our brother, and finally regaining his sight. Magraheb, one person, from day one till now. God bless you so much, and thanks for being a brother's keeper. Abusuafo, semi-free Kofi Adoma Wanwani camp dia, and the medo call Mr. Who Knows Tomorrow. Mr. Who Knows Tomorrow. Akrobeto. Ene Akrobeto. Ekunya akunshia. Ewo kumase kwan so.
Abobo ya bidiani. Oja abobo ya
Now the good news is, at the end of the day, nyame ejre no otumi enya no kwa na bibi boni bia anto no na yebefa akonya wei so na yada nyame ase, because Akrobeto is one of the few individuals say a bodin in terms of movie, comedy, any TV shows the real show. There is no way you can miss that. One of the voices are content creators Eta Yusupa and Akrobeto. So if nothing at all, he has paid his dues, contribute to society, corporate social responsibilities. These are some of the people Nibia we praise and Yamimam contentin. Yeah, in as much as they are working, they will also use their blessing to bless others. So as at the end of the day, young ones Nibia, they also looking the opportunity, to also enter into the space, so they can tap into their blessings and also get their spotlight. So Abusuafo, the good news is Akrobeto, after the incident, he used that medium to also thank God for the life. Now, akonshia de chale ede nsembebe eneba. The fact that bibi anto enche say psychologically, emotionally, you are okay. During that time, psychologically, the mind wouldn't be at peace. Emotionally, you wouldn't be at peace. Nemom ya bo radin pa say, unchu chanje no, normal bibia enko totin. Ya at the end of the day, the yeshe nim no, bibia anso beko kama. What ya say? Abusuafo, you watching me, what do you also have to say? The comment section is yours. Use the comment section to share your views, share your thoughts. And don't forget to share this video. Yeah, others will also benefit from it. Meeting at the Kobby JosVan. I'm a blogger, social influencer, and a pundit. Na se ushia mo highway neswa. From the nation's blogger or the ugly village boy, Macrao.